Now we're going to learn how to embed a Tinkercad design into any online forum. It could be a blog, it could be a web page, it could even be Brightspace. First, choose the design that you want to embed. Click in the middle of it. The first thing you need to do is make sure that the design is public. If it isn't, you can click the gear icon and properties and change private to public. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. And then over on the right-hand side, where the HTML symbol is, click on that. And you'll see the embed code there. It's already selected. So all I need to do is copy it and then click the X to close that window and click back. Now in a blog, for instance, I can create a new post, and instead of pasting the embed code in the plain text editor, I'm going to choose the HTML view, and I'll get rid of that default text, and then just choose paste. And now I can switch to compose view. Your model may or may not show up in the compose view, but if you click preview, your embedded design should show up. Now this is an interactive widget, so a user can click and rotate around the object. They can zoom in or zoom out using the touchpad on a laptop, or you can use these buttons on the side to zoom in or zoom out. You can use the orientation cube to move around an object, and a user can click the link to go to your publicly viewable model. There are photos that I've taken of the model, and here's the original Tinkercad design. Now, because it's public, users can click download, and they can download your model and print it or edit it as they wish. In Brightspace, you can log into your Brightspace account, click on Assignments, Discussions, and then scroll down to the appropriate topic. Click Start a New Thread, give your topic a title, click in the text box. But again, we're not going to paste the embed code in the compose view. We're going to click the HTML symbol. We'll delete whatever is in there, and then once again, paste our embed code that we copied from Tinkercad. Click Save, and then scroll down and click Post. And now your classmates and I can interact with your model, zoom in and out, click to go to a downloadable public version of it, and so on. This is a much better way to look at a 3D model online, because models by definition are in 3 dimensions. So looking at a static snapshot of it, like this, for instance, it can be difficult to really get a sense of what it looks like. For instance, like, what's behind the head at this part? Does this flowering pattern go all the way around? I can't tell from this photo. So with an interactive version of the model, then I can move around it. Oh, and we see that the top part of the head, there's a loop for a chain, for instance. So it makes sense if this is intended to be a pendant, then that's a good feature to have. So choose one of your original Tinkercad designs, make it public, copy the embed code, and paste it into the corresponding discussion topic in Brightspace.